Glasses, they're worth more than his life.
Oh!
Damn.
It's real.
You ain't gonna make it!
What? See Vegeta at the camera doing commentary.
Yup, I'm doing all the commentary over here. I just feel like being silent for once.
Vegeta doing commentary.
No, now it's gonna be Mr. Popo. There can only be one Vegeta.
Oh god. That's Popo.
How are you maggots doing today? Exactly, cry for me.
Looks like there's more than one. But it's gonna be awesome. Hey, come on. Oh! Getting a lot more to take down Jay.
That's what I
Dun,
said.
dun, dun!
He's all serious now. I should bend down.
Oh, we just
About to go down.
Just got serious up in here, man.
You guys saw it right. He pulled my hair.
What?
Yeah, I saw that.
Don't pull the hair. You don't pull the hair. Let's go.
Ow, my spleen!
Oh, I think I broke my back.
I not said it's not good.
My leg.
Shut up, Krillin.
No! It's mine! My leg! That was a foot to the face. Now arm. Oh god. It's getting really intense here. Let's stay back. Get me involved. Oh god! Is he bleeding?
He almost looks like
I think he needs a sensory beam.
I think he's got paramedic.
Somebody needs sensor beams over there?
Oh!
I heard that.
Had too many beers.
Come on, get him, get him, get him. Oh, go for another one. Going for another suplex. Oh! Look at that. Yeah, I don't think his back's gonna hold him.
I'll hurt.
None of that looks good.
Painless cookies! I will break cookie!
I don't think he's gonna get over it so long. Hold on, man. Jeez.
Can't even stand up. He definitely needs a sense of
Definitely needs that sensor beam right about now. God. Oh, dang, that's a good punch. Oh, smack. Another one. Oh, gonna try to go for a suplex on him. I don't think it's gonna work. Can't pick up that big man. Come on. Whoa, there he goes. Oh, with the reverse. There he goes. Oh, with the lock. He's got the lock. Oh, flat on his ass.
That's one way to flip the tables.
That's one way to do it.
Ah, punch.
Shouldn't be booing me. Should be booing him.
Poor performance.
He's the underdog of the group. It's okay.
Underdog.
Blake gets thrown around.
It's called being nice and limber. Oh, with a kick.
Super kick!
No one's gonna suck the tiny.
Damn it,
Are you
Ron.
vaping through your mask?
Yeah.
Tastes like cherries and strawberries.
Spot on.
I bet.
What the fuck is going on with this?
Tastes like 5 gum. 5 gum, guys.
What is going on?
One,
I know. You said what the-
two. That's not working.
That's cool as shit.
He's nothing. Mikey was easier. I mean, Mikey was harder.
Pick which one, easy or hard. Either way, one's limp, one's not. Come on. Come on.
No, you don't want this.
Uh-oh, he wants it. Uh-oh. Oh no, he's not going.
He wants it deep. Where's Popo? Right here.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. I don't think a sensor beam's gonna fix that one.
He's gonna do shit run for that.
Yeah. You dirty Mackins might want to summon the dragon. 'Cause I'm not. Oh, can die for all I care. Oh, what was that? Nice ballet move. Oh, okay, that's how it's supposed to go. Got it.
Shit.
Yeah, we can see that. Still flat on your ass, though.
Oh my god!
Oh, no. Threw him. Right out of the ring.
Isn't it supposed to end?
Yeah, that's usually what it's supposed to be. Like, no. Did you have a heart attack? Well, you know.
Dodge!
You're trying to drag him up.
Good try.
No, not really.
Good try.
I think that's man.
I'll give you A for effort. B for improvement.
Definitely not this one.
You tried. Hard enough. Get him. Juicy crack. Oh, dang. Flat.
My spleen.
My squealy smooch. Oh, leg drop.
Go, he got the calf in the chest.
Dang. One. Oh, nope.
He lives!
It's a snap war. You know, on your knees is not a good thing. Hey, yeah, it didn't work out as well as I thought. Oh, got him in the lock this time.
No, not yet. Not yet. This is a very strange not yet.
Pretty straightforward.
Come on now.
Wait, hold on. Right now. What is this? Don't tell me we're on Friday Night Live, are we?
I think so. Oh god. I want to do it. Jesus Christ.
You should have dodged that.
Tuck and roll! Jesus Christ!
Dodge!
Oh my God! What was that?
Read about it. Yeah, he's done. No.
What? It's in my perfect form. God, you're so Oh God! Look at that.
Oh god. There's only so many things out about this. Police girl, I don't think there's much else you can do but watch.
One,
Just straight up show me your tits.
two.
Now you from the... What are you from again?
That should be my game. That should be my game. As I come out as Avatar. Yes.
Yeah, you can't
And
be
I'm
in
down
here.
as the Crimson Fucker.
Oh God, yes.
Really?
Oh, please, no.
Bring the
Oh, here goes. Boom. Well, I think it's end of
Alright,
his
come on
days.
now. He's done.
God, I just want to smack that ref in the head.
Well, it doesn't seem like everybody else wants to.
Go do it.
Fire!
Matt, you're fired. Take out the ref. I was just saying, take out the ref. Ding, 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 ding,
winner
ding,
by
ding, ding. Who the heck won? I was following nothing.
Oh, you got disqualified. He attacked Blake.
Here.
Ah!
Hey, ref, pay the hell attention!
What the fuck are you doing?
Here's our winner by disqualification, Blake Osborne.
Oh, did he go after the ref? Oh, what? Oh, shit! Oh,
And that's what we wanted.
yeah! Woohoo! Took out the ref, yeah! Well, I don't think he's done.
Don't you look pretty?
It was there, so who cares? It was there.
Oh shit.
It was there.
Oh, shit, he's going for it again. No, don't play nothing now. Oh, he's giving him a hug. Oh, it looks so
I don't think that's gonna turn into a hug.
Yeah, I don't think so, yeah. Oh, no, see, I knew it. That wasn't trying to get to a hug.
Sound the sirens!
Woo, 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 woo! Nope. Where's it going?
I was wrong. Damn it.
I don't like this.
Scariest ass crack I've ever seen in my life.
He's dragging him away.
Wait.
He's dragging him away. He's getting away.